peppered goat meat, yam fries. Yeah, do you have plantain?
Yeah.
Yeah, I need it soft, really soft, okay? And then add jollof rice.
Alright.
Yeah. Oh, don't forget fried rice.
Alright.
Thank you.
Babe, all this order you are making, are you going to finish it?
I don't understand why you're questioning what I'm ordering.
Okay. Because I told you I'm not hungry. Yeah? And I'm not ready to eat anything now.
Wait, so you brought me out on a date and won't let me order what I crave?
No, now. I don't have any problem with whatever you want to eat. Even if you want to order the whole restaurant, I don't have any problem with it. As long as you're going to finish it. Alright?
Whatever.
See the verse. Do you like the food?
See, I'm done. Just call the waiter, let them come and pack it up. Let's go. This is already getting boring.
You are done. You didn't even eat the food.
Wait, are you expecting to come to a restaurant and finish? Don't think I'm local now. They think I'm hungry.
I use my hard-earned money to buy food in this economy. And you just touch it. And you're here telling me about what people will say. Who are those people? My 200K.
People are shouting. People are going to hear you.
I'm shouting. People are watching. Who are they? My 200K. See, if you do not finish this food, you are going to pay for it. Waiter, come. See, she ordered for this food, right?
Yes, sir.
She's the one that is eating it.
Yes, sir.
Then collect your money from her.
Alright, sir. Ma'am, are you paying transfer or cash?
Transfer.
You think it's a joke?
See yam, see yam chop. What the rough rice? See that plantain, remember, it is very soft. Hey, Bian, it's not that I'm trying to be harsh, not that the economy is hard. You can't order food like this and throw it. You know, go. Pate go ferraro.